Today we are going to talk about relational operations, part of database management system course. Relational operations are operations that can be performed on data stored in a relational database. A relational database is a type of database that stores data in tables, with each table consisting of rows and columns. Relational operations allows users to manipulate and query this data in various ways. Here are some of common relational operations. Select. The select operation retrieves data from one or more tables in the database. It allows you to specify which fields you want to retrieve and can be used to filter the data based on specific criteria. Insert. The insert operation adds new records to a table in the database. Update. The update operation modifies existing records in a table. Delete. The delete operation removes records from a table. Create. The create operation creates a new table in the database. Alter. The alter operation modifies the structure of an existing table, example, adding or deleting fields. Drop. The drop operation removes a table from the database. These operations are typically performed using relational query language such as structured query language. Relational operations are an important tool for working with the data in a relational database and are widely used in a variety of applications and industries. Thank you for watching.